Hey guys, it's Anissa. Welcome back to Shenanigans. Today we are going to do a spring half moon pastel mani with a twist. So let's jump into it. These are all the colors that we're going to use in our spring pastel half moon mani with a twist, which I named because it sounds like a cocktail and I don't drink, so that's as close as I'm going to get. And as always, you can check the description box for a full list of all products used or mentioned. For my pointer nail, I'm going in with Sally Hansen's Insta-Dri collaboration with Jelly Belly, Bubblegum, and this I actually painted 3 coats on to get it perfectly opaque. As I mentioned in a previous video, I still am going to do a review of the whole Jelly Belly's collection just as soon as I get all of them. I have one that's still coming in the mail. These are the Jason Bournes of nail polish. It has been impossible to track these suckers down. For my middle nail, I'm going in with Sally Hansen Miracle Gel number 639 Sugar Fix. And in case I didn't mention it at the very beginning, I started off with a base coat on all my nails. And again, I did 3 coats just to make sure it was perfectly opaque, waiting for it to dry in between each coat, which took about 10 minutes to 20 minutes. My ring finger is getting Sally Hansen Insta-Dri number 456 Jade Jump. And my little baby pinky finger is getting China Glaze number 1464 Whip It Good. And finally, Mama Thumb is getting Sally Hansen Hard as Nails number 370 No Hard Feelings. And as always, after each coat, I'm using my brush to cap the free edge. And I didn't film this part, but after all my nails were dry, I went in with a layer of quick dry top coat because I'm going to use nail vinyls. I got these particular nail vinyls from Twinkled Tea, and I'll include the link in the description box below. And no, I didn't stutter. It's Twinkled Tea. And a lot of people just say Twinkle Tea, but then how are you going to know where I found it if I don't give you the real name? As you can see from the thing that I'm doing, I'm applying these half circle decals near the cuticle of my nails. It would probably help with the whole tutorial aspect of the video if I put my hand in frame, huh? Once you've gotten the vinyls where you want them, be sure to press them down so there are no gaps. Otherwise, you're going to have nail polish leakage. I'm doing the half moons in shades darker than the original base coat, and this is Sally Hansen Insta-Dri number 313 Watermelon Wizz. Wizz. Immediately after painting, while the polish is still wet, remove the decal. For the middle finger, I am using Sally Hansen Insta-Dri number 522 Bluetiful. Now when you're painting, be sure to be very careful not to flood your cuticles. Perfect. After I finish not flooding my cuticles, I'm going to go ahead and clean up those cuticles with my favorite cleanup brush from Twinkled Tea. For my ring finger, the color of choice is going to be Sally Hansen Insta-Dri number 446 I Rush Luck. My hands are very small, so my nails are very small, and so there's very little surface area to actually paint on, and Sally Hansen's brushes are pretty big, so I had a little bit of difficulty on my smaller fingers, but I made it work. See, that's what happens if you have gaps, leakage. Because I used a quick dry top coat between my base color and the half moons, I'm able to just take some nail polish cleaner on a brush and get rid of most of that green. For my pinky nail half moon, I am using OPI's I Just Can't Cope-acabana. See, my tiny pinky is the problem child. She has leakage and cuticle flooding. The last half moon on my thumb is going to get Sally Hansen Insta-Dri number 443 Va Va Violet. I have a confession to make. I know I shouldn't play favorites, but my thumb is my favorite nail. It's just the perfect shape and so much easier to paint than any of the others. Now once everything is dry, after about 10 to 20 minutes, we're going to go in with another coat of quick dry top coat. I am using China Glaze Fast Forward top coat. And as always, I'm having a lot on my brush and I'm smoothing the polish over my manicure, not the brush, so I don't get anything that is smearing. And just like with the base colors, I'm using my brush to cap the free edge. This will ensure that your manicure will last as long as possible. Well, there you have it, a spring pastel half moon mani with a twist. I came up with the idea for this manicure while I was falling asleep one night, so there's some information for you. Do with it what you will. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you later.